What's going on, guys? It's your boy Dom coming back to you from All About Passive Income, and you already know what time it is. It's Saturday, feeling good, happy, energetic, no negativity, straight positive, all day, every day. But you know what time it is, man. I'm finna start, I gotta send another, update video about Cash 4X Group. You know it's payday, guys. You know it's payday. It's Saturday. We get paid every Saturday, so you know everybody's happy. Everybody's happy. Everybody's enjoying it. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Time's running. Time is running. But before we go ahead and that timer runs out, let me hit you with that disclaimer. I'm not your financial advisor, nor will I tell you what platforms to get in or how to spend your money. Everything that I do on my channel is entertainment purposes. I just show you guys what I'm doing, how I'm multiplying my cryptocurrency, and how, I'm doing what I'm doing. So you make sure that if you get in any platform on anything on the internet or online, you make sure you do your own research, your own due diligence, and make sure that you have risk capital money that you can afford to lose. But now that we got that disclaimer out of the way, I can't do nothing. I mean, guys, I can't do nothing but just be happy. Just beautiful day. It's Saturday. It's payday. You know, it's not a big deal, and and it's TikTok because this thing is fixing to, pre-launch is almost over with. This thing is about to hit the open market. This thing's about to be everywhere. Everything is coming out. It's gonna be real. They got the live event coming up very, very soon. Panama, beautiful country. If you ain't been there, you need to go check that out. Definitely go out there and go check that out. But guys, woo! I don't know what else to tell you. I really don't. But if you know what I know, I can't, I know a little bit. I know a little bit, stuff that I can't really talk about with this platform. But, but if you knew what I knew, you would be just excited as I am when the launch happens and you get to meet all the owners. You get to see what's going on. You're gonna get the full transparency. You're gonna be understanding the whole network. You're gonna understand fully how this thing works. Now, they have packages that are in this platform. And I know a lot of people say, oh, well, here we go. Got another trading bot. They're doing this. They're saying they're doing that. Yeah, blah, blah, blah. We heard the game. We've been through it. We've been in several platforms, similar things of that nature. Okay. But what really got me excited about Cash FX is that, the people that are behind it. Okay. Now, they have, you know, people that have been in the business for years. Mr. Poe, Conversion Pros. If you don't know nothing about Conversion Pros, go Google it. Go check that out. Go see what type of business, that man built. And he's behind this 1000%. Webinars. Go check YouTube. Just, if you don't believe me, that's fine. Go get on YouTube and go check out Poe. Go check him out. Go see what he got going on. He's investing in the platform. He's already successful online, has a successful business. So, in my opinion, why would somebody that successful take the opportunity to jump over here to get on a platform like this if that was going to tarnish that person's name? I mean, would you do it? No, I don't think so. If it's something that you didn't stand behind, why would you put your name out there? Why would you put your face out there? Why would you talk about something on a platform and put your name on it and do webinars every week and be pretty much the forefront of this business, if you didn't believe, or you had inside secrets of, what's going on behind the scenes, and you put your name out there, I don't think a lot of you would. But this guy's been in business for years. Been in business for years. That's what got me excited, because I was like, okay, now we got some heavy hitters in this space that's behind this. And then we're about to get all the material that we need for those of you that want to learn how to trade. You don't have to pay no monthly subscription. You don't have to do none of that. You're going to get all of that with this platform. So if you look at it in this sense, you're getting a 2-for-1. So number one, you're gonna learn how to trade. And I know a lot of people say, oh, I don't want to learn how to trade, this, that, whatever. I just want to get the passive money. I want to get the passive money. Okay? Person like me, yeah, I want to know how to trade. I don't know how to trade. I'm not familiar with it. But hell yeah, I want to learn. I want to learn. If I'm going to be able to get free knowledge on something that I can be able to, better myself and better, and better, not better, but make me, more of a passive income. Why the hell would I not do that? I mean, it's a no-brainer for me, because I'm going to be able to, tap into something and learn something that I don't know anything about, and I'm going to have all the information handed to me on a silver platter, and I don't have to pay a monthly subscription. I don't have to, watch YouTube videos and watch people, click a mouse and tell you how easy it is to trade and things like that. Not knocking people that do that, but some people learn different. I'm more of a, hands-on visual type of person. I got to touch it. I got to see it. I got to feel it. So this type of platform is going to be able to allow you to learn how to trade, guys. And if you don't have that in your back pocket, then something is wrong. You don't need to be, you don't really need to be in the space. I get it that, you have leaders out here. You have, you have big YouTubers. You have people that can refer people, and they can put, just crank these types of programs out and make a lot of money and go on about their business. But at the end of the day, you're learning a skill. You're learning a trait. You're learning something that you'll never forget. That's something that you can add to your knowledge. And that's huge for a lot of people. I know people gonna say blah blah blah. I'm not gonna be worried about that. I ain't worried. But guys, do you not know you're gonna be getting free education on how to do something that's going to help you make more money with this particular platform? And not only that, you're going to get paid while you learn? What? That's damn near unheard of. That's damn near unheard of. And the money, the money potential that you can make with this platform is stupid. It's stupid. And especially if you get out here and you grind it and do it the right way. So your earning potential is the sky's the limit for you, for everybody. Everybody's going to be able to eat with this platform, guys. So you got to see how huge this is and how long this thing could be around. Now, I don't know if this is 1,000% true, because, you can't take what everybody says, what everybody says to be truthful. You can't. There's no way possible. Everybody's going to have, they're going to have their skepticism about it. They are. But if you already have people that are in this platform, I'm talking about leaders. I'm talking about people who have already, made millions of dollars. They're talking about being able to pass this particular platform down to their kids. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like that shit to me is unheard of. And especially in this space. I can't guarantee that'll happen because I can't. But what if it could though? What if you built this thing to where this thing keeps going down and generates generational wealth for your family, for your kids, kids. That would be life changing for everybody if this platform was to stay around, like what I'm saying, like people are predicting it to be. So the learning curve, your earning potential, all of that is going to be something that you're going to be able to achieve over time. And especially if you don't want to go recruit nobody, that's going to allow, the people that are brand new to the space, or people who hasn't made a lot of money or doesn't have a big budget to get into, the bigger plans. It's going to allow you to come in and be able to start at a smaller package and build all the way up to the $100,000 package that they have in the back office. Yeah, it may take you 6, 7, 8 months. It may take you a year. It may take you a year and a half. But if this platform is around 7, 8, 9, 10 years, which I can't guarantee that. I wish I could. I wish I had a crystal ball and say, hey man, this thing is gonna last that long. But just the what if factor that'll give you the opportunity to build it. And we're still in pre-launch. This thing ain't even went live yet, guys. I don't understand. I don't understand some people's thought process. The name of the game, everybody wants to make money. Everybody wants to make money. Everybody wants to be a beast in what they do, right? But when it's time to do beast things, you MIA. The talk is there, the drive is there, the conversation is there. But why are you sitting on the sideline thinking about it? What's there to think about? Scared money don't make no money at the end of the day, guys. It doesn't matter what you get into. It does not matter. If you get into real estate, if you get into get into the trucking business, get into a franchise, you still got to have money to get into those things. This gives you an opportunity to come in at a lower rate than you would to have to go franchise a 7-Eleven or franchise Jersey Mike's or a McDonald's or Chick-fil-A or start your own business. Because you're gonna be it's gonna take you some years to ROI. It is, unless you have the money liquid and you can just spend that money and say, okay, I'm good, I'm done, I'm paid, everything is done. Now I can just focus on getting my ROI. Unless you have that type of money laying around, then yeah, you might be on to something. But guys, I'm telling you, Cash FX is coming, and when it comes, it's going to rain just like sport and trading BTC. Sports trading BTC is another platform that's going to rain. These are two back to back. And well, actually even my passive trades and R Star 2.0. Those are four back to back platforms that is going to shed that light, and it's going to be able to make a lot of people that have never made money online money. And that's all that matters. That's all that matters at the end of the day, is you making money, you being able to take money and put money in your pocket, you doing the things that you want to do, and you can feel happy at your results at the end of the day. That's all that matters. We're all in this thing together. We're all rocking and rolling it. We're here. Support. We're going to be having, videos going to be coming out the wazoo. Trust me on this when I say it. You can believe whatever you want to believe. You can hate on whatever you want to hate on. You can troll whatever you want to troll on. But at the end of the day, guys, if this is something that you feel like you need to get into, then don't take my word for it. Go do your own research. Go do your own due diligence. Go check this thing out and get the ball rolling. Because you can't make no money if you ain't putting no money in to be able for money to be made. You can't sit on the fence and think that money's just gonna pour into these platforms and you do nothing. But all right, guys, that's all I got for you today, man. Like I said, if you ain't subscribed to the channel, definitely subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can get all the updates and all the videos. Definitely smash that like button. I really appreciate everybody out there that took the time to watch this video till its entirety. Appreciate it. Nothing but love. But this is Dom coming to you from All About Passive Income. I'll check you guys out in the next video. Peace.